Welcome to Innovation Explorers. Experience the captivating realm of innovation, design, science, and technology. Why is food technology important? Let's first define food processing before delving into the specifics of food processing technology. Food processing is the conversion of agricultural products into edible food forms or from one type of food to another. Food can be processed in a variety of ways, including grinding grains, producing raw flour, cooking at home, and using sophisticated industrial processes to create convenience foods. Food processing technology. What is it? A collection of physical, chemical, or microbiological processes and technologies are utilized in food processing technology to transform raw materials into food and other food processing businesses. Food processing technology discusses a wide range of subjects, including food processing, food technology, food safety, the food industry, food allergies, food microbiology, food biotechnology, food allergies, food addiction, food fortification, food nanotechnology, etc. Technology in food processing. Its importance. A robust and vibrant food processing technology industry is essential for reducing the loss of perishable agricultural products, extending the shelf life of food items, ensuring the value addition of agricultural products, diversifying and commercializing agriculture, creating jobs, raising farmer incomes, and producing surplus for agro-processed food exports. Various techniques are employed in food processing technology operations to add value to the basic food components, including seafood, poultry, and meat, consumed by humans or other animals. Processes and value addition turn raw food ingredients into consumable goods. Primary processing and secondary processing are the two basic categories into which the food processing procedures are divided. This reduces the gap in income between rural and urban populations by employing rural residents, including women, and stopping the flow of money from rural to urban areas. Primary processing relates to converting raw agricultural produce, milk, meat, and fish into a commodity that is fit for human consumption. It involves steps such as cleaning, grading, sorting, packing, etc. Secondary and tertiary processing industries usually deal with higher processing levels where new or modified food products are manufactured. All the raw food materials are processed to improve their palatability, nutritional value, and shelf life. Foods are processed for 5 major reasons. 1. Preservation for later consumption or sale to fetch a better price. 2. Removal of inedible portions. 3. Destruction or removal of harmful substances. 4. Conversion to forms desired by the consumer, and 5. Subdivision into food ingredients. Generally, the first, preservation for later consumption or sale, is the primary reason for food processing. Field crops, including grains, oilseeds, sugar crops, and forages, are major contributors of the nutrients required by man, either through direct consumption of the seed kernel or isolated components as food, or through the utilization of the plant and byproducts as feed in the production of meat, poultry, milk, eggs, and fish. Field crops also have major non-food uses. Most people will have to determine whether or not contemporary food processing technology is a blessing or a curse. Food processing technology has made it possible for us to select foods based on our dietary needs. Yet it has also, in some situations, decreased the nutritional content of the aforementioned food item. Food processing technology offers several advantages and disadvantages, which vary depending on the specific methods and techniques used. Here are some pros and cons of food processing technology. Pros of food processing technology. 1. Improved shelf life. Food processing methods like canning, freezing, and dehydration help extend the shelf life of products, reducing food waste and allowing for long-term storage. 2. Convenience. Processed foods are often convenient and require minimal preparation, making them a time-saving option for busy consumers. 3. Safety. Processes like pasteurization and irradiation can effectively kill harmful pathogens and bacteria, reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. 4. Seasonal availability. Processing allows consumers to enjoy fruits, vegetables, and other products even when they are out of season. 5. Variety. Food processing technology enables the creation of a wide range of food products and flavors, providing consumers with diverse choices. 6. Nutrient retention. Some processing methods can help retain essential nutrients in foods, such as freeze-drying fruits and vegetables. 7. Cost-effective. Processing can make certain foods more affordable by extending their availability and reducing waste. 8. Preservation of food quality. Properly executed processing techniques can preserve the taste, texture, and nutritional value of foods. Cons of food processing technology. 1. Loss of nutrients. Some processing methods, such as high-temperature cooking and canning, may lead to the loss of certain vitamins and nutrients in foods. 2. Additives and preservatives. Processed foods often contain additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients, which can raise health concerns for some consumers. 3. High sodium and sugar content. Many processed foods are high in sodium and sugar, which can contribute to health issues like hypertension and obesity. 4. Environmental impact. The energy and resources required for food processing, along with packaging waste, can have a negative environmental impact. 5. Reduced flavor and texture. Certain processing methods can alter the flavor, texture, and appearance of foods, potentially making them less appealing. 6. Allergen cross-contamination. In facilities that process multiple food items, there is a risk of allergen cross-contamination, which can be dangerous for individuals with food allergies. 7. Dependency on processed foods. Relying heavily on processed foods can lead to a less diverse and less nutritious diet. 8. Loss of local food culture. As processed foods become more prevalent, traditional local food cultures and cuisines may be overshadowed. 9. Health concerns. Excessive consumption of highly processed foods has been linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. It's important to note that not all processed foods are unhealthy, and food processing technology has made many positive contributions to food safety and accessibility. However, consumers should be mindful of their food choices and prioritize whole, minimally processed foods when possible to maintain a balanced and healthy diet.